Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily add my AI to your Snapchat, so let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to make sure that you have your Snapchat application updated to the latest version. If you don't, just update it and then go ahead and open it. When you open it, tap on messages on the bottom right here, and then tap on the search icon next to your Bitmoji on the top. From there, search for My AI. You'll find multiple results. Tap the one by Snapchat team at the top right here. From here, tap on View on the bottom. Here, tap on Add Friend. Now, after doing that, you will not find My AI immediately, but you'll have to wait for a while and it will be added to your chats just like that. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and comment down below. Don't forget also to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.